Hey guys, I just got off work. I just came straight to school to study and to get some assignments out of the way before this weekend starts. Then yeah, I'm gonna go home, pack up, get ready for tomorrow. So I just want to update you guys on that. Also, with the videos that I recorded earlier this week, I'm just gonna keep this very short and sweet. I did record every single day, but I honestly don't feel comfortable even uploading it because it's just, my energy's not there. That's not what I want to bring to the table either. So y'all just gonna get this. It's gonna give you guys like a little breakdown of this week. So Monday and Wednesday I had work. Tuesday and Thursday I have class. So Tuesday I went to class. Also Tuesday I did my nails. Thursday I actually got my hair done. I'll give you guys a 360 tomorrow. I just want to check in with you guys, let you guys know what I did throughout the week. So I'll check in with you guys later. Alright guys, I just got out of school. I just finished studying and doing that exam. I'm just walking home now. I just want to say guys, I am so excited, like too excited actually, for this trip. Oh my god, it gives me like the butterflies and the excitement in my body. I'm gonna check in with you guys tomorrow morning. Shout out to Dunkin'. All they were selling was donuts and croissants. Just plain croissants. Guys, I think I'm a chocolate munchkin girly. Not even munchkin, but a chocolate girly. I'm starting to really like crave chocolate. I can't want that with vanilla anymore. See, that's maturing. You're realizing that what is vanilla? Why? What is even vanilla? Chocolate is where it's at. Oh my god, I gotta tell you guys, right? Last night, I get home late, 10ish, 11, start packing. Literally, it's like 1 in the morning. That takes me about like an hour, another hour, so it's like 2 or 3 in the morning at the time. And eventually, I get to packing everything, and I finally go to sleep at 3 in the morning. Which left me 2.5 hours to sleep. I wind up leaving at 6 o'clock and then getting to the airport at 7. I'm here, just waiting. I guess I'm gonna leave you guys here until I get on my flight. So I'll see you guys later. I always say, oh, we better on Saturday. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturday. Oh, if karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong, though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? I just got the taxi. And they're gonna be landing at 7:20. 7:20. That's crazy. Girl just took a nap. She feels great. She's alive. Also, I wanted to share some news. I did that exam yesterday and I got an A. I got an A on that exam, my first exam as well. My first and second exam. So I'm hyped. I'm currently looking at my assignments right now, see if I have anything extra to do. But I'm contemplating what I should do here. How many hours? 2 hours till they come? To give you guys like a makeup tutorial. My fam, my brother and his girlfriend's family is gonna be here in a little bit, so I am gonna look like I wasn't dying all day. I bought my light so I can film. And I think I lost it. So I'm gonna go in with my Milk Hydrating Grip Primer. Not too much because I'm not putting on too much makeup. Bro, no, they fought my bag because why is my mini first aid kit broken? Oh my god, what happened? I'm gonna go in with my Fenty wearing skin tint. Make sure you bring it down to the neck. Bring it down to the neck, please. I want to be lagging. For the meantime, I'm gonna put on my Massage lip tint. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty concealer, a little bit under the eyes. Ooh, we alive. Boom. She's a clean girl. And I don't think I have my mascara, which is a complete bummer because it really makes the look. But I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. lash curler. And then boom. Alrighty guys, they just landed. That is the end of this vlog here. I know it wasn't like that adventurous. Just wanted to show you guys more of like my week vlog. Well, a week of preparing and getting ready for today and for this weekend. So my next video, my next vlog, you guys are gonna see, get the full experience of my weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys enjoy lifestyle, beauty, and playful walks with me, I advise you guys to subscribe, like this video, and comment your favorite part. Comment just anything. Comment roses. Comment tomatoes. Just kidding. Don't comment tomatoes on my video. Please don't. Please, I'd cry. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll check you guys out in the next video. Bye.